There we go. Wash machine sustains. One, two, three, and four. Five, yeah. Okay. Bed sheets. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Bed sheets. Goes in there. Okay. Here's my power cases. Okay. Okay. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Bed sheet. Okay. All right. Everything dryer, pants, shirt, mom's shirt. Sorry, I hit myself. Power cases. Sock. Oh, four, sorry. Here's my Skittles, pants, pajamas, PJ pajamas. Cut. Towel. Blue towel. And my Paw Patrol towel. Sock. That's it. That's it. Close it up. For 60 minutes. It's start. Pants up, man. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Do this. Pass more now. I do this fine. Dryer. That's right. Dryer. That's right. I do this fine. Laundry.
Laundry.
Close door. Cup. Power on the wash machine. Boy. Daddy, dryer. 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 That sound like that sound like dryer. 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 D-R-E-Y. That's something I'm very happy. Dryer. 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 That sound like very, very happy to me. And put on my Paw Patrol quilt. And a wash machine. Wash machine. I gotta tell Mom the dryer. That's not very sound very happy. I gotta tell her. Cup. Alright, what wash machine. Wash machine. Do this fine. I hope you find that useful. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to our how-to videos. Take care, bye now.